Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna talk about this powder from Oriflame as a review. Of course, as you read in the title, it's the One Matte Velvet Powder. And as you can see, it's really small packaging and I love it so much. I love the packaging so much. So I'm gonna talk about everything. First of all, the packaging is really small, but it has a lot of product inside. I have it from a really long time. I can remember how many years or how many months that I have this product. I use it all the time. It's really amazing and the packaging is pretty small. So I love taking this with me on my bag when I'm traveling or I'm going to work, if I'm gonna wear any makeup, because it's really small, it's really light, it doesn't take place in my makeup bag, so it's really convenient for your makeup bag or your bag when you're going out. And as you can see, it's almost gone, but I have it from a really long time. I can't remember when I got this powder, but about the powder itself, it's really nice. It's almost like transparent or translucent, like doesn't add any more color to my foundation or my makeup, but in the same time it really makes my foundation set in place in a really nice thing. And I use it when I'm out, like if I'm gonna stay all the day out, is as a blotting paper. So with a brush I just dust it on my T-zone, especially because I have like a combination skin and always have a oil on my T-zone. So when I have oils, I just remove it with the tissue and just dust it, dust this powder all over my face, and like I have like a fresh makeup. It's so velvety and really soft on my skin, and yeah, it's really nice. So about this product is, yeah, I give it a thumb up and I really love it. And I think when this one is empty, I'm gonna have another one because it's really convenient. I didn't see any powder like that small before, so that's why I love it more, because the packaging is pretty small. So it's about like 8 gram. It's about 8 gram and have a lot of product and stays on like forever and stays with you for a long time. So it's really nice investment for your money. So yeah, this is for this review. I really hope you like it, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.